Today I'm going to show you how to change spark plugs on a 2005 Suzuki XL7. The spark plugs are located on the side of the engine. You got 3 over here, and then you got the other 3 on the other side. First thing you gotta do is get a Phillips screwdriver and remove the cover. Right, and then you go on the other side and remove the other one. Once unscrew, remove the cover. So now you have access to the coils. Now you got to remove the bolts on the coil. You're gonna need a 5/16 or I think a 10mm will work. Okay, I'm using a 5/16 for my tool box. Right, finish it off with your hands. Now remove the coil. Okay, gonna need a 5/8 spark plug socket remover. 5/8. Okay, this one came from my toolbox. I'm gonna insert it now. All right, once it's loose, you're gonna finish it off with your hands. My socket, it didn't come up with it. So what I have is a little magnet tool I bought from AutoZone. It's just gonna pull it up. So I'm gonna insert the magnet in there. Boom. Now, spark plug. See, they were pretty cooked. You know, they needed to be changed bad. All right. With the old one, now we got the new one. We're going to insert it in the socket, and then we're going to start screwing it by hand. Okay, once it's tight with your hands, take the wrench, put it in there. Now we're going to tighten it up. Alright, get it pretty nice, tight and snug. Alright, now you're gonna take the coil, put it back. Okay, you're gonna put back your screw. You're gonna start off with your hands. Gonna take your 5/16 or 10 millimeter, and then all right, get it nice and snug. All right, make sure it's good. Don't wobble. And we're gonna go and do the next one.